name's Josh Thomason, aka JT Sticks. I'm new to the Collision family. I'm really excited about it. I'm in a band called Zaster. Basically, we've been playing together for at least the last few months, I would definitely say. We're kind of a newer project on our way up. Also, size stick that I use is the new Collision 7ARs. I've been playing with them and pretty good, actually, a lot. I really like these sticks. These are actually kind of a newer one that I just found with this company. I like them because they are longer than the normal stick. It makes doing fills and everything a lot easier. I can use everything on my kit. I don't really have to really strain my arms to reach everything. So some of the other things that I like about this particular company is I've noticed so far that they are a big corporation. Also, they are really nice people. They're actually really easy to get a hold of. I've had a great experience with them. I've also spoken with their president, and he is a really awesome guy as well. He's also a fellow drummer, just like me. Basically, another thing that I really like about this company is they help you build your social media. They have a program called the BACKSTAGE program. I really like that. Basically, that helps you build your social media. They go through and they show you how to do everything, which is really great. So basically, without any further ado, the song I'm about to play is called Absolute Territory. And it's a song that we've been working on for definitely the last few months that we've been getting our songs and stuff together. And like I said, without any further ado, here we go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
No,